Mr. Elijah, you are so adorable. Playing with your little mat, your rainforest mat. You're just finding everything, aren't you, baby? Yeah. You're just having a good time. You found the crinkly leaf, and you found this little tiger thing that has something that spins around on it. Yeah? You enjoying yourself? Do you hear the froggies? Mm-hmm. You like froggies, huh? And birdies. We have a bunch of froggies by our home, huh? Yep. Just exploring everything. You're still checking out that toucan, huh? You love that toucan, but you can't quite get there yet. Can't quite get there yet. Hey, look at the toucan. Hey, you're really checking that guy out, huh? You think that's the coolest thing ever? Daddy has the toucan. Oh yeah? Yeah, you smiling? Grab it! Grab it! Oh yeah? Mr. Toucan thinks you're funny. You really want him, don't you? I'm sorry. You can't quite grab him yet. Toucan's flying. You really like the toucan, don't you, baby? Oh yeah? Whoa! Look what you found. Look what you found. Yeah, baby, you can make that sound. Not just daddy. Alright, well, looks like you're having a really fun time. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.